little bit slowly than Ocean Jet. Ocean Jet is faster boat, and this is it. Normally when knowing this one is fold. This is open air. I always choose open air because sometimes I vomit. So that one is a tourist class. I supposedly there, but I don't like there. I want here. So I can smell the ocean. Today weather is bad. And our travel takes 4.5 hours, but normally with not Weeby it's only 3 hours. Bye, see you on my next vlog.